Hey guys, it's Eric and today we're going to look at my most recent purchase of the gutter sweep cleaning system. I've used a bunch of different systems over the years and by far this is the best one. Owning a house, you know you're going to have to clean the gutters at some point. Even if you have gutter guards on, eventually they get clogged up and you won't have to clog them. So in my particular house, I don't use any type of gutter guards just because I'm always going to have to get up there or get something up there and clean them. This is the system that I've been using for years and absolutely love it because I get to keep my feet on the ground. I don't have to climb any ladders. I don't have to worry about falling off a ladder and getting hurt. I don't have to worry about, getting my hands dirty and, getting in all that gunk, and it's just a pain in the rear. So I like to use this one. I've used this for a lot of years now and absolutely love it. Here's everything that you get with it. 2 poles. If you need to, you can buy 2 additional poles. I actually have like 6 of these, but once you get that high, it's really not that useful. I would say 4 is the most. Then you have a handle which you would attach towards the bottom. I would say about here. At the very bottom of the first pole is your drill adapter. That way you can turn this little bad boy. This goes up into the gutter and spins around, and this is what spits out all the gunk that's in your gutters. This attaches to the right angle bracket. As you can see, this is a gear, so when this turns, that turns, and that will connect to this little angle thing that goes up over the gutter, and then this will attach to the pole right there. Now, if you don't want to use the little rotator thing and you want to blow out your leaves and debris with water, you can attach this little nozzle thing to the end of the little U thing right here. So this will go right here, the pole will go there, and then at the bottom where the drill attachment was, you put this little hose attachment, and then you have this little nice on and off dial so you can control the water. What's also useful is if you want to use this pole for like a painting project or some other cleaning project, there is a adapter. This goes on the end of the pole, and then this will go into like a paint roller or whatever else this might thread into to help you clean with these extension poles. Okay, so it attaches to your drill, and this is all nice put together now. And as I turn the drill, that end is going to move. Now, of course, you can reverse it. Nice little handle. All right, let's go clean the gutter. You want to make sure you wear safety goggles, and you might want to wear some headgear or something because it gets pretty dirty and you definitely don't want to get anything in your eyes. All right, so you can see here I have a pretty bad clog right here. I always get a clog right at the downspout. I usually clean my gutters about twice a year, and this is all I have to do. It takes about 5 minutes. This one took a little bit longer because I'm filming everything. You can see you just put the rotator right between the mounts and you go back and forth. It can actually go right underneath of one of the mounts, but then you're gonna have to pull it back out. If it happens to get stuck, you can actually turn it sideways and it pops right out. And even at the downspout where you're limited on space because you have the gutter mount right there, it is small enough to fit in there. One thing to keep in mind is that you're probably going to get dirty just because it's spitting all the water and the gunk out. So wear dirty clothes, make sure you wear goggles or something, eye protection, and you'll have your gutters cleaned in no time. Overall, I give this a big 2 thumbs up. It's safe, it keeps your feet on the ground, and still gets the gutters cleaned very, very easily. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.